Hello everyone, welcome to solve a nice math Olympiad problem. And here we have solved the value of x with two examples. And the first example is x over 2 plus x over 3 and is equal to 10. So first of all, we can solve the first example. X over 2 plus x over 3 is equal to 10. And now here we take LCM is 2 and 3, and here we take LCM, and this 3 ones are 3, and 2 multiply 3 is equal to 6. And so here we use this 6 is multiply with all sides, and now we multiply 6 is 6 multiply x over 2, and then plus 6 multiply x over 3, and then is equal to 6 multiply 10. And now the other step is this 2 divided by 6 is equal to 3, this 3 divided by 6 is equal to 2, and now this 3x plus this 2x is equal to 10 multiply 6 is equal to 60. And now 3x plus 2x is equal to 5x and is equal to this 60. And here we divided by 5 with both sides. By 5, and then over 5, then over 5, and 5 cancelled out this 5, and this 5 divided by 60 is equal to 12. And now here x is equal to 12, and here we find the value of x. Here it is first example, and now we can solve the example number 2. And example number 2 is here x plus 3 plus x over 3 plus x over 4 is equal to 11 plus 2x over 5. And now we can write question is x over 3 plus x over 4 is equal to 11 plus 2x over 5. And now here we take LCM, this 3, 4 and 5. Two 2s are 4 and 5, and now this 2 ones are 2, and now this 3 ones are 3 and 5, and 5 ones are 5. And now here 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 is equal to 2 multiply 2 is equal to 4, and 4 multiply 3 is equal to 12, and 12 multiply 5 is equal to 60. And now here we can solve this 60 divided by this all sides, and now 60 multiply x over 3, then plus 60 multiply x over 4, then is equal to 11 multiply 60, and then plus 60 multiply 2x over 5. and this 3 divided by this 60 is equal to 20, and this 4 divided by 60 is equal to 15, and this 5 divided by 60 is equal to 12. And now this 20x plus this 15x is equal to 11 multiplies 60, 660, and then plus this 12 multiplied 2x is equal to 24x. And now here this 20x plus 15x is equal to 35x, and is equal to this 660 plus 24x, and so 35x, and this plus 24x moved here is minus 24x, and is equal to this 660, and 35x minus 24x is equal to 11x, and now is equal to this 660. And now here we divided by 11 with both sides, then over 11 and then over 11. This 11 cancelled out this 11, and here is, and this 11 cancelled out is equal to 60, and here is x is equal to 60, and it is the second value of x for second example and our final answer. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.